Hey guys, welcome back to the Power Bank. Thank you so much to those who watch my videos and especially to those who subscribe to my channel. And to those who are not yet able to do it, please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified with my coming videos. One interesting topic in mathematics is logic, how to solve logic problems. And many of us find it difficult to deal with these logic problems. That is why I'll be sharing to you now an effective strategy that we'll be using to solve logic problems. And let us start by analyzing and answering this problem. Alan, Brent, and Chris are the top 3 finishers in a 100-meter sprint. Alan said, "I won the gold medal." Brent said, "I was just a runner-up." And Chris said, "Alan is lying." If only one of them told the truth, who won in the contest? One of the most effective strategies in solving such kind of problem is by making an assumption. In this strategy, we are going to make an assumption that something is true at first until later it is proven otherwise by the given clues. In the given logic problem, what we are looking for is the winner of the contest. Therefore, I made 3 columns so that we will assume 3 situations. The first is the assumption that Alan won the contest. The second is Brent won it. And the third is Chris won the contest. Let's start with the assumption that Alan won the contest. Okay, if Alan is the winner of the contest, then his statement, "I won the gold medal," must be true. Then we'll put a check, means statement is correct. Next, the statement of Brent was, "I was just a runner-up." Since he said he was just a runner-up, it is true because Alan is the winner of the contest. Okay. Assuming that Alan is the winner of the contest, then the statement of Chris, which is Alan is lying, must be wrong because Alan is really the winner of the gold medal. Proceed to the second assumption that Brent is the winner of the contest. If Brent won the contest, then the statement of Alan, "I won the gold medal," must not be true because Brent won the gold medal. So we will put an X in it. The statement of Brent, which is I was just a runner-up, is obviously not true because we assume that he is the winner of the contest. So, it's not a runner-up, so we will put an X. And the statement of Chris, Alan is lying, is referring to the statement of Alan. And Alan's statement is, "I won the gold medal," which is not true. Therefore, Alan is really lying. So we will put a check on this. And here we are with the third assumption. If Chris won in the contest. If Chris won, then the statement of Alan, "I won the gold medal," must not be true because we assume that Chris is the winner. So this is not true. So we'll put an X. Next, the statement of Brent, "I was just a runner-up," is correct because we assume that Chris is the winner. So Brent must be a runner-up. So we'll put a check on this. Next, the statement of Chris, Alan is lying. So since he said Alan is lying and Alan said, "I won the gold medal," then Alan must be telling the truth because he is the winner and Alan must be lying. So we will put a check on this. Now, what are we going to do with our gathered data? It's just very simple. You just look for the assumption wherein only one of them is telling the truth. Because, going back to the problem, they said, if only one of them told the truth, then who is the winner in the contest? Then if you are going to observe, in the first assumption, 2 of them are lying, are telling the truth rather, and 1 is lying. The second assumption, 2 are lying and 1 is telling the truth. And the third assumption is 1 is lying and 2 are telling the truth. Therefore, we have this data. One is telling the truth and 2 are lying. Therefore, Brent is the winner of the contest. Let's answer another problem. A stone flew right into the window in the faculty room and shattered it. 4 probable culprits were called to the office of the prefect of discipline for investigation. Alex said, "They broke it." Ben said, "They broke it." Carl said, "I didn't do it." And they said, "Ben is lying." Only one of them told the truth. Who was the culprit? We will do just exactly the same with what we did earlier. Let's start with the assumption that Alex did. Assuming that Alex was the culprit, then the statement of Alex, "they broke it," must be untrue. So we'll put an X. The same with the statement of Ben, which is, "they broke it," because Alex did it. And the statement of Carl, "I didn't do it," is correct, because we assume that Alex did. And the statement of Dave, "Ben is lying," and the statement of Ben is, "they broke it," and since it is marked with X, then Ben is really lying. So Dave is correct, but Ben is lying, so we'll put a check on it. So let's continue. If Ben did it, then the statement of Alex, "they broke it," must not be true, because Ben did it. And the statement of Ben, "they broke it," must not be true also. The statement of Carl, "I didn't do it," is correct, because we assume that Ben did it. And the statement of Dave, "Ben is lying," is correct, because as you can see, Ben's statement is marked X and Ben is really lying. So it is the same with just the assumption that Alex did. Okay, let's proceed to the assumption that Carl did. If Carl did it, then the statement of Alex, "they broke it," must not be true, because Carl did it. Then the statement of Ben, "they broke it," which is the same with the statement of Alex, is also not true. Next, the statement of Carl, "I didn't do it," is not true, because we assume that Carl did it. And when he said, "I didn't do it," he is lying. So we are going to mark it with X. And the statement of Dave, "Ben is lying." So since it is marked X, then Ben is really lying. So we will put a check on this, because Ben is really lying. Statement of Dave is correct. And finally, the statement of assuming that Dave did it, then the statement of Alex, "Dave broke it," is correct or true, because Dave really did it. Next, if Ben's statement is, "Dave broke it," it's just the same with the statement of Alex, then it is also true. Next, Carl's statement is, "I didn't do it." So it is true, because we assume that Dave did it and it is not Carl. And the statement of Dave rather, "Ben is lying," is obviously not true, because Ben, as you can see, it is a check mark, then he must not be lying. So we will put an X on it. What we're going to do is we look for an assumption wherein only one of them is telling the truth and the rest are lying. So in this case, there are 2 X's and 2 checks, so obviously it's not. Next, 2 X's and 2 checks, so this is not the assumption that we're looking for. And the other one, 3 checks and 1 X, it is not the assumption that we are looking for. It is the assumption that Carl did. There are 3 X's and only Dave is telling the truth. Therefore, we can assume, we can conclude rather that Carl was the culprit. Hey guys, why don't you try doing it yourself with this question? A jewel was stolen during an exhibition. The police officers managed to arrest 4 suspects to assist in the investigation. And Alvin said, "Brent stole it." Brent said, "Charles did." Charles said, "I have an alibi." And Daniel said, "Don't believe anything Brent said." Only one suspect told the truth. Who was the thief? Please feel free to write your answers in the comment section below. I hope that you have learned something new today, guys, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated with my coming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.